Dear Libra, as the Cancer quarter moon rises, it casts a gentle glow upon both your personal and professional life, urging you to acknowledge where balance needs to be restored. Take this opportunity, dear Libra, to assess any areas where you may have felt depleted due to mounting pressures at work or home, and invite grace into your life as you recalibrate. Later this afternoon, as Neptune's soothing influence takes hold, embrace the opportunity to establish healthy structures that support your journey toward living your best life. Allow yourself to flow with the energy of the cosmos, dear Libra, and be open to the possibility of breakthroughs, especially in the realm of creativity. As evening approaches and Luna enters Leo's radiant embrace, invest in your network, dear Libra. Cultivate your community and nurture your connections, for it is through the support and camaraderie of others that you will find strength and joy on your journey.